Assalamu alaikum and good day once again. So this is the part 2 of our video discussion of our lecture 5 or lecture 6. So in this video, I will be providing or we will be discussing one example for the centroid or locating the centroid of mass or center of gravity. So in this sample problem, you are being asked to locate the centroid of the shaded area. Meaning to say, as you can see, di ba? May shape dito na parang rectangle. Okay, rectangle. We have this semicircle, triangle, at saka yung another rectangle. As you can see, it is quite complex, right? The shape is quite complicated in a sense that pinaghalo-halo yung 4 shapes in just one set. So the idea kung paano to isolve is to, is to break all these 4 shapes into separate shapes. For example, isa si square, or isa si rectangle 1, isa si another rectangle, isa si triangle, at saka isa si semicircle. Ganyan yung pag-analyze ng isang problem of a certain shapes with a given more than 2 shapes. Okay? This type of shape is a complex type of shape. So the thing that we need to do is to break these shapes into different shapes. Okay? So here, as you can see in here, composite area or composite shape. Here in this solution, the composite area is divided into 4 elementary shapes shown in the figure. Yung sabi ko nina, this shapes is actually composite. The centroid locations of all these shapes may be obtained from table 2. Sa table 2, di-discuss natin yun later. Note that the areas of the holes, yung holes na ibig sabihin dito is yung itong hindi shaded. Meaning to say, itong rectangle dito, at saka yung semicircle. Yan yung holes na ibig sabihin dyan. See, shapes 3 and 4 are taken as negative in the following. Class, kapag may binigay na composite area or composite shapes, tapos may hole or may butas yung shapes na yon, yung shape na butas or yung shape na hole na yon is gawin mong negative or i-minus mo doon sa shaded area. Okay? For example, this one. Let's have an example. Sabihin natin na yung example na yun. Di ba? As you have seen, class, this is the shaded area, right? This one. This is the shaded area. In sample problem number 1, you are being asked to locate the XC and YC of the shaded area. So, imagine, itong shape na ito is composed of 1 rectangle, 1 triangle, tapos itong butas na ito na another rectangle, sabi natin yung 3rd shape, tapos semicircle. So, to analyze this type of problem na may hole, ang hole na ibig sabihin nito is itong 3rd at saka 4th shape. Ang dapat mong gawin is to minus, kunin mo yung lahat ng area nito or lahat ng properties ng area, first rectangle at saka yung second triangle. Kunin mo yung mga properties niyan, tapos i-minus mo yung holes. The shape number 3 at saka yung shape number 4. So, ganon yung pag-analyze ng composite area involving a hole. So, yun. Proceed tayo sa solutions natin. So, as you can see in here, you are being asked to locate the XC at saka yung YC. Diba dito? Diba ito yung example natin? Here. Example this one, diba? Ito yung composite area natin. Let this shape, itong shape na ito, this shape as area 1, this triangle as area 2, tapos this semicircle as the 3rd area, at saka yung 4th area itong butas na rectangle. So that is how you will be analyzing or you will be dealing with a composite area or areas. So please refer to table number 2 for you to know or for you to see the tabulation of the solution. Okay. So sabi ko kanina, ito si area 1, area 2, itong dito triangle, Area 3 na naman is itong semicircle. At saka area 4 is yung another whole na rectangle. So, here is the simple calculation to locate the center of gravity. So, first is to find the area. Ano yung area 1 daw? Yung area 1, di ba? Area 1 is this one, this bigger rectangle. 12 times the height. 4 plus 4 plus 2 is 10. So, 12 times 10 is 120. Class, please bring out your calculators while I am discussing. Try to use your calculator in solving or finding the values. Sa area 2, ito yung area 2. As you all know, di ba, yung area ng triangle is 1/2 base times height. So, 1/2 ng base, ito, yung base natin is 7. 1/2 times 7 times 10. The answer is 30. Tapos, yung semicircle, yung sabi ko kanina, 1/2 of pi r squared. Okay? 1/2 of pi r squared. So, 1/2 of pi, that is 3.14. Tapos, yung r squared is 1.5 squared. So, the answer is 14.4. Next, the bigger rectangle. The bigger rectangle is 2 times 4. Gets? And we have this 8. As you can see, class, si area 1, area 2, yan yung buong area, right? Pero, since may given na holes dito, yung area 3 at yung area 4, yung gawin natin is, gawin natin negative itong dito. This one is negative. Area 4 is negative as well. So, if you are to sum, 120 plus 30 minus 14.14 minus 8 is equal to 12.19. Gets? Can you still follow? So, ganun yung paglocate ng total area ng isang certain composite shapes or composite areas. Okay? So next, let's locate the x bar at yung y bar. Class, yung x bar at y bar na yan is yan yung centroid ng bawat shape with respect to y and x axis respectively. Okay, for example, yung shape number 1, ito siya, ito. Yung shape number 1, which is the bigger rectangle, di ba? 12 yung distance, 12 yung length ng base with respect sa y-axis. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6, right? Next, yung area number 2, which is the triangle. Di ba yung base ng triangle is 2 plus 5, 7, right? So, yung gawin natin is, hindi siya 2, I think it's 6. Kasi, 6 siya kasi 5 plus 1 because 1/2 ng itong rectangle dito. So, 6. Diba yung sabi ko kanina? Yung area, yung x bar or xc ng triangle is 1/3 of the base. So, 1/3 ng 6 is what? 1/3 of 6 is 2. So, as you can see in here, diba itong half dito is yun, 1 plus 5, that is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, yun. 2 yung dito. Dito siya 2. Tapos, may remaining 1 dito. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 2, 5. Tapos, dito is 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. On the other hand, yung shape number 3. Shape number 3 is 3 plus 3 is 6. Tapos, yung area number 4, that is the rectangle, that is the whole. Its half is the center of gravity. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 6, because 3 plus 3. So, 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. Same goes sa y bar. Y bar, okay, itong 4 plus 4, 8, plus 2, 10. So, half ng 10, this one, half ng 10 is 5. Next, yung triangle, 4 plus 4 plus 2, di ba? 4 plus 4 plus 2 is 10. So, 10 over 3 is 10/3. Ayun. Class, again. Di ba yung sabi ko kanina? X bar, kapag X bar is with respect to Y-axis. Kapag Y bar with respect to X-axis. Gets? At saka take note, kapag yung area na yun or yung shape na yun is yung center of gravity is hindi siya nasa origin, make sure to add yung points na hindi siya na-add. For example, again, ulitin natin sa kwan. Yung y bar ng Okay, y bar ng ito. Y bar ng area number 4. Di ba y bar ng area number 4? First, kunin natin yung YC. YC ng area number 4 is 4 divided by 2. That is 2. Since 2 yung XC, i-plus natin yung 2 dito. So, 2 plus 2 is 4. Ayun. Gets? And take note. Take note of the difference between XC at saka yung Y bar. XC at saka yung X bar. Si XC is the total, XC is the center of gravity, right? Pero yung Y bar is the center of gravity, is the location of the center of gravity with respect to the Y axis. Always remember that. So yun, after natin makuha yung Y bar at saka yung X bar, next, multiply yung X bar at saka yung A dito. Multiply yung Y bar at saka yung area dito. Tapos, kunin mo yung total number. Again, take note, area number 3 at saka yung area number 4 is paki-subtract because it is negative. Next, since nakuha na natin yung area, itong part na ito, all we need to do is to locate the X bar at saka yung Y bar or yung location ng center of gravities natin. Yung formula to locate the center of gravities, for example, sa X bar or sa X, is the summation of AX bar, itong dito, over summation of area. Since nakuha na natin yung total area at saka yung total summation, yung summation of area times the X bar, all we need to do is to input the values. Then bring out your calculator, paki-calculate. So I believe that is all for this example ng location on how to locate the center of gravity. So if you have any further questions, just simply comment down below your question along with your full name.